What's going on, guys? It's the Big Chief and Mr. Reese. Welcome to my channel. I think you know where you are. You're in Big Chief country. Only the best in outdoor content. If you need help catching the big one or skinning a squirrel, you know where to go. Big Chief Outdoors. Make sure to hit the button, the big red one that says subscribe. Show your support on Instagram and Facebook.
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys liked that new intro made by yours truly. Comment below if you liked it. I thought it was pretty nifty. This little video today, we went, me, Tanner, and my friend John, we all went fishing down Moonville Tunnel and the little creek through there, and we caught a couple nice little fish. We actually caught these shiners, but fortunately the battery died in my camera, so there's like one little blip at the me catching one. I caught like 3 of them. The biggest one was probably like that, but Tanner caught the most. He caught a bunch of rock bass, and we also caught some bluegill and a largemouth out of there. And there were some long-ear sunfish and stuff. That's one John caught. So like the lures we were using, I was using this little yellow beetle spin, and then they were both using a little Ned rig, and Tanner, that was like his gold ticket for the whole morning we went out. We caught tons of stuff on the Ned. The way I fished it and the way Tanner and John fished theirs is they would pick it up over, you could kind of, the water was kind of clear so you could kind of see down in, and we'd pick it up over a log and just let it fall, and then you would see the fish come out of the flash and it would smack it. Set the hook, there's usually one there, or sometimes they'd hit short, so you just throw back over it again. Water was kind of deep, but not too bad. So those are the lures we used. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Be sure to hit the big red button down there. It says subscribe like the intro said. Is that Rocky? Yeah. Smile for the camera. Here we go. Caught killer over there. See ya. Another way out there. Jeez. Oh, it's a bluegill. I can't believe he fit that thing in his mouth. Not a fish Ohio, but I'll take it. Out here with my boy John and Tanner with the Rocky over there. We're out catching some fish, and there he goes. See ya. Tanner's stuck in the tree again. Going in to retrieve his prize. If you fall, it'll make the video more entertaining. Mine wasn't recording when I bit to death. It's more entertaining than watching it. Oh, there you go. Got it. Little Rocky. That was in. Skipped over the log out there. Can't quit it. Right in the roof of the mouth. Nice little chunker. See, buddy. Caught him a nice largie.
2 of them there somewhere.
Yeah, we've been watching for a little bit. Finally hooked that one. Nice, pretty, healthy looking fish. Nice. Nice. Good release. Tanner killing it on that Ned rig. That one's a nice little fat one. Nice little dude. Feisty. Yeah, that's a good one. That's probably almost 8-incher. Nice little fatty. Tanner whooping up on that Ned. Better go get you one for these creeks. See some Z-Man Neds. Same Ned. Different place. Different fish. 24/7. Oh yeah, we got a good one. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Big stick. I'm better check Fish Ohio for that one. I'd say a nice 20-incher. With that extension, probably another 20. Nice. I'll throw them out of the water. Yeah. Out in the wild, my dudes. Bait. That's a big one. Nice. Munched your little Ned there. That's a nice one. That's a good one, yeah. Like a Rocky. I'd say. Nice little fatty.